Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am starting a new thing on my page where I'm doing a series of making drinks, taking recommendations for making drinks, and experimenting with drinks. So it's gonna be fun. Stay tuned. Today we're gonna be making a low-calorie Moscow Mule, one of my favorite drinks to make. Super easy, but this is the key to the drink. It's delicious. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I've always been like a Moscow Mule gal, but if it's like too, I don't know, like burny in the throat, I'm like, I don't know, I don't love it. So when I found this, I was like, oh, this is perfect. It hits perfectly. I'm gonna start with 2 shots of Tito's. Any vodka is just fine. Boom, boom. And self-explanatory, I am going to juice half of a lime. I'm gonna add my ice. I typically would like shake my drink up, but this is different because it's like soda poppy. And since it's just vodka and lime, I don't need to go through the whole hassle of shaking lime and vodka. So I told you guys this is low calorie. This is only 38 calories and there is 8 grams of added sugar and 9 carbs. So it's not too bad. They're pretty small. They're 6.8 fluid ounces. They're called the Fever Tree Refreshingly Light Ginger Beer. Delicious. And they're like the perfect size. They're delicious. They don't taste any different than a normal ginger beer. So I do it like that just so I can make a second drink with it because I don't want too much. Then you've got enough left to make a second drink. I'm gonna quickly stir it up. And I'm gonna garnish with some mint. And there you go. It's super easy, obviously. Moscow Mules are very easy to make. But it's very refreshing and low calorie. So let me know if you guys have any fun drink recommendations. Me and my husband, we love to experiment and try different things. Well, I lied. He doesn't really that much. I'm the one who likes to try all the different things, but either way, send me some recommendations. If not, I will be experimenting and making some more fun drinks for you guys. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this low calorie Moscow Mule. Cheers.